A very good morning to everyone. I am here to present our dual assignment. My name is Millie Wong and my partner name is Nurul Fatimah binti Ibrahim. So the first one is, what is a website? A website is a present on the World Wide Web. A website rendered with a various spelling. A website is a collection of web pages file coded in HTML that are linked to each other and to pages on other sites. A website is a run hosted on a web server by the site owner, by a hosting provider, or by an Internet Service Provider (ISP). Advantages of website for business. The first one is reaching a wider audience. A website can sell product or service to a wider market. A website can grow and expand your business. Second, anyone, anywhere, and anytime. Website can be accessed by anyone no matter where they are. Websites are available 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Third, easy to access business information. Customer can easily access information about your business. They can see what you sell, prices, location, and etc. Fourth, keeping it fresh. You can keep the website up to date to be relevant, using a blog to keep content fresh and attract attention. Fifth, publicity and advertising. The costs are low for a website and ongoing costs are minimal, but the potential return on investment could be quite significant. Sixth, link from others and viral marketing. Possible for a good idea, clever product, or business service to go viral. Reconnection of your business and your brand will grow. Lastly, securing your brand online. Cybersquatting is now less prevalent since the introduction new law to combat it. Others with a grip against your business might use a website or social media accounts to damage your business reputation. Next, disadvantages of website for business. First, reliability. Information on your website might be unreliable if not updated on a regular basis. You need to ensure that changes are made when necessary and have a disclaimer with regard. Second, cautious and uptime. Websites are not good to everyone and not able to find information about your business, and you could miss out potential sales. Third, difficulty reaching the right people. Difficult to reach the right target audience, and competition within your market may be strong. Fourth, spam. The internet equivalence of junk mail and a website which can cause you some grief. Lastly, bad publicity. Customer putting bad comment or review in the website and not having a website won't prevent such thing from happen. What are the options available to develop a website? First, WordPress. Second, DW Adobe Dreamweaver. Third, Net Object Fusion Essential. Fourth, Joomla, Drupal, Wix, and Weebly. So that's all from me, and I will pass it to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Nurul Fatimah. Here I will show you how to build your own website using one of free hosting, which is Wix.com. So let's get started. Here you can log in with your Facebook, Google, or your own Wix account. You can choose what kind of website you want to create, but right now we will go for business. Okay, this Wix ADI will create a website for you just by answering a few questions, and then the website design just for you in minutes. But right now we will try to look for this one. And as you can see here, there are so many templates. You can choose based on your preference according to your website purpose. But in this video, I will show you how to create your own by using these blank templates. And as you can see here, there are many blank website template, and we will try using one of them, and maybe this one. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So let's edit this side. It might take a while for you, so this is okay. As you can see here, there are so many components to edit the website, and here is the menu, the side menu about your website. So we can edit this one by one, and this is where you can change your background to using color, image or video, and you can update the media here. You can upload your image, your video about related to your website, and this where you can add your text, image, the strip, video and music and others. And right now we will try to edit the home pages. So we can edit this one, edit tags. And that's it. And here nice. And you can edit this one. You can change the design. Refer to your preference, how you want your website to look like, and we will just go for this one. And then we can upload the picture here, maybe the picture of your shop or of your merchandise. Just click manage media. Here you can upload your media, either your image or video related to your business. And this one, I choose this one and just add to page. After that, we will try to change the background to make it look more interesting. And after you edit all the pages, you can finally publish your own website to let others know. And that's all from us. I hope this video can help you to develop your own website. Thank you.